All right, so I went and got the can from AutoZone. It was like 12 bucks, so quite a bit. And I never really used this stuff, but it's whatever, I guess. I can use it on the S4 and the G35. Just pop this off, set it aside. We'll go ahead and loosen up this bottom one. All right, so we got that bottom one loosened. Take this top one off. And then we'll slide it off. This bottom one should just pop off too. There we go, just like that. So next we'll use this, what is it? A T25, a TX25. And we'll take off these two screws. So they're just 2 Torx. So there's that. You want to unplug this. You just pull it back a little, and then that's good. Set it somewhere where it won't like touch the exhaust or anything. And basically you can just slide this out, and then right here is the housing of the MAF, and then we have the MAF right here. So you can actually take these bolts off. They're actually like, I think they're like tamper proof Torx, but we don't have any. So next thing to do is grab one of these. A lot of people will probably say don't do it, it's whatever. So when you pull this out, be very careful. And that's what it is. This is what it looks like. As you can see, there's oil. We're gonna go ahead and clean this off. I'm gonna be very careful with it. Come on. All right, so that should be good. As you can see, it's all pretty much dry, pretty clean, which should be good. Now we can just install it back in. Grab our 2 screws. Yeah, next would be to clip this back in and lock it. Let's put it back on. So we'll slide our bottom on first, and then our top, just like that. Tighten this up. Alright, I think that's pretty tight. I don't really know how tight is, but seems tight enough. And then this, you want to pop your front in first, and then your bottom. Bang, just like that.